Dear students, physics second year, topic is open pipe. Now, argon pipe. An argon pipe is a cylindrical tube, which consisting air column. There are two types of pipes. One is open pipe, second is closed pipe. Open pipe means an argon pipe which is open at both the ends are called open pipe. Here two sides are open. Such pipe is called as open pipe. An argon pipe which is open at both the ends are called open pipe. Now in this we have to discuss formation of stationary waves. When the sound waves traveling in an open pipe from its one open end, it gets reflected from the other open end due to pressure difference. Now observe the diagram. Now here, when the wave is traveling from its one open end, it gets reflected from the other open end due to the pressure difference between the two ends. The waves are traveling in opposite directions. The incident wave and reflected wave having same amplitude, wavelength and frequency traveling in opposite directions. They are superimposed along the length of the pipe, produces longitudinal stationary waves with antinode at its ends and nodes in between them. Now observe the diagram. Now this is the incident wave. Now this is the reflected wave. Both having incident wave and reflected wave both having the same amplitude. Their amplitude is same. Amplitude is denoted by A and wavelength lambda and frequency nu. They are traveling in opposite directions. They are superimposed with each other along the length of the pipe. Then they can produce as the longitudinal stationary waves along the length of the pipe. At one end is antinode and other end is antinode. Antinodes are formed. In between, nodes are formed. Now, in this, there are three modes of propagations. First mode of vibration. When the air column of a pipe, air column of a pipe vibrates with a single loop, one half plus half, that is equal to single loop. Then two antinodes and one node are formed. Two antinodes and one node are formed. The distance between any two successive antinodes or any two successive nodes is lambda by 2. So lambda by 2 is the length of the pipe. Air column of the pipe is L. That is equal to lambda by 2. Length of a pipe L is equal to lambda by 2. So here you can take the lambda value. So 2 multiply with L. Lambda is equal to 2L. Lambda is equal to 2L. We know V is equal to nu lambda. But here we want first harmonic frequency. That's why nu 1. Or first harmonic frequency, or also called as fundamental frequency. Now V is equal to nu 1 lambda. Nu 1 value, take it. So lambda you can bring from right side to left side. So V by lambda. So lambda place lambda value substitute. The lambda value is 2L. So substitute lambda place 2L is substitute. Nu 1 is called first harmonic frequency or fundamental frequency. Next, second mode of vibration. Here one loop is formed. Now here total two loops are formed. 1 plus half, 1 and half plus half. Total two loops are formed. 1 and half plus half. Two loops are formed. When the air column of a pipe vibrates with two loops, 1 and half, 2. Then three antinodes, 1, 2, 3, three antinodes and two nodes are formed. Two nodes are formed. Now we have to take length of a pipe. L is equal to lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2 because of two loops. Each loop length is lambda by 2. Lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2. 2 lambda by 2. Now we have to take the lambda value 2 by 2. Bring right side to left side. So it is multiplies with L. So lambda is equal to 2L by 2. We know V is equal to nu 2 lambda. Here nu 1 lambda. V is equal to nu 1 lambda. V is equal to nu 2 lambda. Next V is equal to nu 3 lambda. Now nu 2 value find out. Lambda. Bring right side to left side. V by lambda. Lambda plus lambda value substitute. What is the lambda value? 2L by 2. Now take and go to 2L by 2 to numerator. So these 2 multiply with V. 2V by 2L. 2V by 2L. Here V by 2L separate it. So nu 2 is equal to 2 into V by 2L. Nu 2 is equal to 2 into V by 2L. Nu 2 is equal to 2 into nu 1. Because of nu 1 value V by 2L. V by 2L value nu 1. So 2 nu 1. Here nu 2 is called as second harmonic frequency and also called as first overtone frequency. Next, third mode of vibration. Here how many loops are formed? 3 loops are formed. 1, 2, 2 and half plus half. 3 loops are formed. L is equal to 3 lambda by 2. Each loop length is lambda by 2. Total 3 loops. 3 loops. So 3 lambda by 2. When the air column of a pipe vibrates with 3 loops. 1, 2, 2 and half, 3 loops. Then 4 antinodes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 antinodes. And 3 nodes are formed. Length of a pipe. Lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2. Because of 3 loops. So total 3 lambda by 2. Now lambda value, take it from this. L is equal to 3 lambda by 2. Lambda value find out. 2 multiply with L. 2L. And bring 3 right side to left side. 2L by 3. Lambda value 2L by 3. We know V is equal to nu 3 lambda. Starting nu 1 lambda. Second nu 2 lambda. Now third nu 3 lambda. Now nu 3. From these two you can find the nu 3 value. Lambda you can bring. V by lambda. Lambda plus lambda value substitute. 2L by 3. 3 taken go to numerator. It is multiplies with V. 3V by 2L. V by 2L separate. So this value V by 2L is fundamental frequency. 3 into nu 1. Nu 1 is fundamental frequency. Nu 3 is called as third harmonic frequency or second overtone frequency. Third harmonic frequency or second overtone frequency. Nu 3. Now ratio of frequencies. Nu 1 is to nu 2 is to nu 3. Fundamental frequency and also called as first harmonic frequency. Second harmonic frequency is also called as first overtone frequency. Third harmonic frequency is also called as second overtone frequency and dash 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 n. This value is nu 1 as it is. Nu 2 value 2 nu 1. Nu 3 value 3 nu 1, nu 4 value 4 nu 1 and so on. N nu 1, nu 1, nu 1, nu 1 gets cancelled. You will get 1 is to 2 is to 3 dash 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 n. This is ratio of frequency. Now related problem. An organ pipe 30 centimeter long is sounded. If the velocity is 330 meter per second, what is the fundamental frequency of the vibration of the air column? Now here length of the pipe is given 30 centimeter. Centimeter to convert into meter, 10 to the power of minus 2 meter. Centimeter to convert to meter, 10 to the power of minus 2 meter. Now velocity of sound 330 meter per second. Fundamental frequency here given, velocity of sound. Fundamental frequency nu 1 formula. Fundamental frequency formula nu 1 is equal to V by 2L. V place V value substitute 330 meter per second. 2 into L. Length of the pipe 30 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Now meter gets cancelled. 330 by 2 into 30 60. Now water cancel 0 0 gets cancelled. Now 2 3 1 3 1. Now next 3 2 6. 330 60 0 in the right 2 అయిపోలేదు. 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja 6. Now 2 table to 100 cancel. 2 50s are. Now 50 multiply with 11. 5 11s are 55. 0. 550 hedge.